Hello, everybody. Dadas here, talking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where every day I stream all my trading live. I stream my screen, and I also talk a little bit right now. So you can catch me, you can interact with me, you can see my trading. We can also talk about it. If you're new to trading, I will help you. I will tell you all about it. Okay, anyways, so today, time for the daily recap that I do every day. I do a short film at the end of the day in Polish and a short one in English. They are usually around 20 minutes, a little bit less, a little bit more. Sometimes they are very short when there isn't very much to say. Like, for example, today, because we can see what happened today. Basically, the market consolidated pretty heavily, and basically it didn't make a lot of pips. I mean, sure, it made 136 pips, but that's a relatively low daily range as far as the DAX 30 or DAX 30 index is concerned. I made a few mistakes today. We're looking right here at these candles. So I made a few mistakes. Like you see, I entered short right here because it seemed like the price would be going down, and basically, normally there wouldn't have been a mistake. I got out of this trade at 53.7 pips minus, and I entered long because I thought to myself, well, the day is on the bullish side, so it looks like the market. It looked very much like the market would be going up and making well, I don't know, a pullback in upwards direction. Anyway, it didn't want to go up, so I got out of it at 22 pips because I thought to myself, well, it's better to make up to recover 22 pips than more, right? And this is 22 at two lots, so this would be like around 60 pips to recover or something like that, right? Perhaps because this is less than a half. So let's say 20, even though, because if this is less than a half, then I need, let's say 20 pips here and 22, I need 44. So I decided to go short again, and I went short at this moment when the price was going back up. So I was kind of, yeah, because at this moment it pretty much looked like the market would be going in the other direction again. And the market, of course, all it did is just turned around and went back up, not making any new highs, not making any new lows. Well, this low was a lower low than the previous low, but there were no higher highs than the high of today. So I was looking around on the H1. Come on, because basically the way to go in the morning was like this, right? So this is my scenario that I should have been realizing, and again I didn't actually. I didn't do it the right way, and basically this was all. But in the morning we also had, I mean, on this next candle, after this candle, we had a blue signal like this one right there, which later on disappeared. So there was a signal. So basically, uh, there was a moment when I was looking at the market from this perspective right here, right? I thought to myself, maybe the market is respecting this level as support. But we are still at this. We are still simply jumping around the last year's closing price, and that's basically what's happening. But I mean, if we look at this closely from another perspective, so let's switch to H4, right? And if we look at it from this perspective, then we are in this move, right? No, come on, not like this. We are in this move over here, so that's why I took this trade. And now the plan is that the price is gonna drop all the way down here. If it does during this week, I'll be very satisfied because I'll have recovered most of my even earlier losses. So I will be pretty satisfied. If not, then again we will have to start from scratch. Anyways, looking at it from the perspective of the H4, there is a very high chance that the market ultimately is going to go down because these wicks right here are basically showing like supply zone over here. So basically this is what it looks like. Additionally, the day after tomorrow, there is some German flash manufacturing PMI and German flash services PMI. So this could be what the market is waiting for. Or perhaps the market is getting ready for this news. So we will have tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Anyways, this is all I have to say for today. There isn't much else to say. I'm in this trade. You see, it's a sell for 2 lots, and we'll see what's gonna happen. I need about $100 right now to recover my those 2 losses. Now the whole range right here is $485. So it's like almost it's 4.8 times what I need. Okay, we'll see. Okay, thanks a lot for today. Please like, please subscribe if you already haven't to my YouTube channel. Of course, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified about my future videos. And also, like I say, join my Dada's trading room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. You can also become my patron. The link to Patreon is also below in the descriptions. And if when you join my Dada's trading room Discord server, there is a channel entitled Patreon benefits. You can read about what kind of benefits you can get when you become my patron. Thank you very much for today. Please keep safe. Please be careful, and see you tomorrow. Bye.